So we have an 05350Z that has a transmission issue. I'm gonna do a quick scan on it. I'm gonna go in the transmission module and see what kind of codes we have. So torque converter, and then yeah, it looks like we have quite a few different ones. P1762, 1764. So there might be an electrical issue with the TCM itself. But before we jump into conclusions, I'm gonna drain the fluid and tear it apart. The shifting is a little bit sluggish, nothing crazy. I can notice it on downshift as well. Start by removing that 19, drain the fluid. While I have the fluid draining, I'll start removing the 10mm fasteners that hold the pan on. Looks like nobody has been in here. Everything is where it needs to be. Got the valve body draining right now. Gonna remove the last 3 fasteners in the back, and this guy will come down. Valve body is out. Let's go ahead and do some testing, specifically on the solenoids. They have openings on the top where we can probe them. Some of them don't, but the one that we are going to be focusing on is, this is a front clutch brake solenoid right here in the middle. Right next door is the input clutch. So we have to see if this one is acting up. I checked all the resistance on all the solenoids. Normal resistance for all of these solenoids, with the exception of the last one, which is the I can't remember off the top of my head, or no, I think low coast. Sorry, low coast. This one right here is what a normal reading should be, around 7 ohms. It's fluctuating a little bit because I'm not holding pressure on it. I found 2 solenoids that have double the resistance of what it should, which is this guy and this guy over here. This is the input clutch, which is one of the codes we have. I have one kind of probed there, and you can see we have 12 ohms of resistance, and it does climb up a bit. So this one has 12 ohms of resistance, give or take. This one, I had it propped up here so that you can see, but this one has quite a bit more. So the more resistance, the bad, or the worse the problem is. This one has 420 ohms of resistance. It's quite a bit, so that means that inside of it has failed. There's a lot of resistance in it, and that causes a problem because this sensor or the solenoid is not able to actuate how it should. This right here is the one that's right here, and that's the one that I told you guys was likely going to probably be bad. So we'll replace this one, and we'll replace this one, which was right here. These rarely go out, but as you can see, it can happen. So yeah, I'm gonna replace these with known good used ones that work. All right, so I got the cover off of the TCM. This is basically the brains of your transmission. And then since I'm here, I'm gonna also solder this connection right here, because it always fails, and right now it's not broken, but it could fail down the line and cause problems. So we'll take care of that, and we'll figure out what's going on here. All right, got that soldered in. Gonna go ahead and put the cover on. Everything else checks out. Replace the solenoids, which I have right here. Those are good. 7 ohms across. Clean the valve body a little bit with some brake cleaner. Clean the screen / filter. Pretty much done with the car. Just need to fill it up with transmission fluid. Need to go pick up 1 more gallon. I added about 8 quarts of transmission fluid in. Let's go ahead and read the codes. It's gonna still have all the codes that were there before. I fixed it because I didn't clear them. I'll clear them right now, and we're gonna go ahead and take it on a test drive. It should come back immediately, like how it did before, and nothing's coming back right now. So I want to say it's fixed, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it on a spin. not giving it a huge pull, but I just want to make sure it's 100%. And yeah, it's doing good. All right, everything is checking out. I'm gonna call this one fixed. Let the customer know it's ready for pickup.